Yep. Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to put a knob on. I got my lovely assistant here. Just real quick before we get started, this is what I took off. I guess the knob had been pulled off at some point. Had to take channel nose pliers, channel locks or something like that to take it off. But now we're going to have Clarabelle put the new knob on. So here you go. Come in. Step out. There you go. Alright, you ready? So we're going to turn it that way, okay? Gonna keep it lined up. Let me get started for you. Alright, now turn it this way. Yep, that's right. Keep going. You're doing such a good job. Good job. Keep going.
That's getting higher.
Yeah, it should be. Keep going. You're doing such a good job.
We have done the good job on the Jeep.
Yeah, we have. Oh, look, there's a mosquito. There's always mosquitoes. Anyway, keep going.
What are mosquitoes?
They're little bugs. We don't want.
I see them.
Yep. Alright, where are we at? Keep going. You're alright. I'm keeping them off you. You're doing such a good job. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Is it not turning anymore? Can Daddy turn it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's tight.
Yeah, my hand is. Phew. Now I can see my window.
Yeah. So that's how you put a knob on CJ2a. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.